Hi friends, today I am going to show you how can you use a transistor as your switch. Here you can see that I have used one more switch for controlling the transistor. When I turn on the switch, the transistor makes the light glow. You can see here. Here I have used BC547 transistor as my switch. This is the resistor which I used in my circuit. If you want to know the color code of the resistor, you can tell me in the. Here it's a breadboard. We don't require this much big breadboard, but okay, I used the breadboard which was available by me. Here it's a battery. Now I will tell you about the connections. Here it's a charging cable for the battery, and here it's a switch which I connected with one end of the battery, which is positive end, or you can say anode. And here one of the wires is going to the anode of the light, and one end is open, so that I have to connect this end to the base of transistor. Now here is the cathode of the light. This will be connected to the collector of the transistor. Now here is the cathode of the battery. This will be connected to the cathode of the this will be connected to the emitter of the transistor. Now we wire the transistor. Here I will put the transistor in the breadboard. Here it's a battery wire which I will be connecting it to one of the terminal of the transistor. I connected it. Now here is the cathode of the light. This also will be connected to one of the end. Yeah, I connected this. Now here it is the wire going from the anode of the battery. Note that if we will just connect it, your transistor will burn. So just place it here. I place my wire here. Now it is a time to place the resistor. So one end will be going at this point. Yeah, here you can see the one end. It is gone to this point. Now the other end will be here. Yes, the other end will be here. Now we will test our transistor. If I will switch on, yeah, this is glowing. Means the circuit is completed. One thing I want to tell which I experienced now, its terminals are not dependent for the connection. Only the base is the only terminal which is fixed. So I will show you. Yeah, I rotate the transistor. Yeah, now I rotated the transistor. Then also the light is glowing. So only the base point is important in this transistor which I experienced here. So thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.